Oops. Balik. Yan lang. Doli. Ako na dito, dong. Ano ba kaning kucing?
Hold the bell.
Asa man eh.
Sige.
Okay na. Port engineer. Third floor, bro.
Sige niyo layo.
Daw na dong. Mo, maduklok na mo.
Pero wala.
Isang pa dito.
Isa pa dito.
My go.
Lugamay. Go farther.
Gigi.
Ang kuna, ang mga boss.
Ang goal malayo ko.
Gamay. Kaya na. It's faster.
Enough.
Okay. See, remove. Take over. Line na shot. Hikap. Tung. Apa? Tanawaran ng hikap o chin block. Pagkadaghang tao.
Ayos.
Dalang.
Napam lain, wala na tatawa lain.
Uy, uy, hikap sad. Ikaw, sige lang kag-cube post din.
Balik.
Dito lang.
Okay, that's enough. This is a vertical shock.
Vertical shop, sir.
Vertical shock.
Means
Nagbarog
standing, sir.
Barog. Okay, di may horizontal shock.
Ay, diha.
This is the motor.
Motor.
Diya din yung spiral gear. Nari na ang walk gear. And this has a seal ring.
Seal ring.
Special type of gasket.
Biscuit.
So do not forget that this has a special gasket with many holes. Because this is already the water side.
Oh.
Tubig na natin na. Water is used for sealing water so that it will not mix water and oil.
Water oil.
Then dirt on the outermost. We will not remove this because anyway this is not movable.
Wala man, sir.
It is only fixed. You can
Seal na,
remove
sir.
this, then clean a little because sometimes because it is water, it will there is corrosion.
But in on board, sir.
You have to clean a little.
In on board, sir.
On board, you can remove it or not. Anyway, the dirt is only light. Only
Water man, sir.
little corrosion. Yan na. So, return. Ano?
Patay.
This one should be placed with
Grace.
Kupa slip, not grease. Because this is very hot. Grease will melt.
Melt, sir. Kasi nga, sir, ko
The lubrication will be damaged.
Katong
So,
pacer.
Kupa slip is good for heat resistant.
Heat resistant.
Heat resistant. Sige, return.
Katong kuan.
Dili katong.
Isa kamay.
Ayo balik.
Una na isa.
Okay. Support.
Dira, boy na dong.
Ano pa din butang sa
One.
Sige.
Nag-guide.
Ayaw, dong. Ligo na ka magunit. Ayaw, sige, ligo na.
Yeah.
Ano para mo kuan? Dira.
Yan ito.
Touching.
Nay down mode.
Slowly. Ikuan ng kuan na.
Ano?
Slowly. Slowly. Be gentle.
Sige.
Be more careful. Slowly. Gently.
Only enough.
Sige.
Sobra sir.
Kamot.
Sige.
Slowly.
Sige pa, down.
Next one, team.
Another one.
Not.
Alaga, adjustable be. Adjustable. Gahi kayo. Sir, gamitan ako sa racket. Gahi kayo sir.
Why gamitin? This is not,
Gahi kayo sir.
that is not a tool for this. Use an hexagonal ring.
Ano ako dali ha? Ulay tol sudra.
Hindi pa wala man to na. Ano to?
Lubig na mustiguang.
Ako sir para.
May kusog. Not.
Ulit eh.
Where's the nut?
Hold this. Slowly.
Paubos na. Kandiya. Bali.
Oh. Ihaon to.
Mas saka mo na. Saka na ang usa.
Sir.
Light.
Light. Asa mo yung
Klaro sir.
Light.
Pinasok na. Pinasok na sa bata. Pinasok na.
Ay ka.
Ayaw siya. Kaya ang dawil.
Where's the nut?
I-shot yun natin dawil.
Shutter sir.
Gaway ka mo.
It's already shot.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good cadet.
Good job, cadet. Mapilapil ko.
On board. Up. Down.
Wait.
Down. On board. This should be tightened a little. Ano pa? Gamay na.
Balik.
Ayaw kayo hukti kay malustit.
Yes.
Do not.
Then put or apply Copa stick. Copa paste. Yes.
Very good cadet.
So that it will
Lubricate.
be smooth.
Yeah, smooth.
Oh, sige.
Yeah, go. Hold.
Gentle.
No, down. Pep. Diri pa.
Careful.
Diri. Nane Mark. Pangita ni mo. Mark.
Dara sir.
Ay man. Dinhi.
Ito.
Dinhi.
Dara sir.
Na dinhi Mark.
Dara
Sir.
Flashlight.
Flashlight.
Mark sir. Ay man.
Dara sir.
Ah, klaro.
Yes. Klaro sir.
Sige, muna i-shot na to.
Slowly.
I-shot, good. Ayaw ibutang ha.
Yes.
Kung ano sa ahay naman, di makita.
Tara, sir.
Flashlight.
Oh, shot na.
Cadet.
Shot.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Be.
It's already shot. Okay, very good cadet.
I forgot the ceiling ring.
Oh no.
Hindi siya mayroong ceiling
Oh,
ring
sir, salamat sa katong usa, sir.
outside.
Pasang
On
siling.
board, I am talking, you have to renew if it is hardened. Gahi na gani ang uring
Renew na, sir.
ilisdan.
Kanamo katong
Or ang uring medyo nalubong na.
Piyoy.
Kini okay pa ni kaya wala malubong.
Wala na
Mo action na gani naglubong.
Kuha na, sir. Replaceable. Replace na, sir.
Ilisdan. Remove.
Kani kay remove that one.
The special tool. Remove the special
Kapan?
Ayo, tuyo ka dugdog ka ng martilyo. Hammer. Hammer. Steel hammer.
Bali.
Padok-dok diri.
Padung dito ano ba?
Ay, gamatang-tang.
Lukas kamot yan na magnogi.
Na may hammer, ngano
Ito ang hammer. Amo dyan.
Nice.
Use the proper tools.
You need to follow the taas. Itong taas mo rin kasi. I'm sick.
Unsa man ni si Magnora estudyante diri?
Wa ni kuan,
Ikaw di ay.
wa ni traha.
Wala sir, oh, dito sir.
Oh. Kuan lang ni. I am
Papa
talking. No laughing. We are not here in order to laugh.
Yes.
We are here to learn.
Yes.
We are here in order